Welcome to the middle of nowhere. We're at Suikerbossie today, and it is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful place. Come and explore it with us.
So we've been taking a walk around this beautiful campsite, and the one thing that we are finding amazing is that every single site is unique. There's something different about every location, and there's something for everyone. Just look at the river on this one. It's beautiful.
So tonight we are very fortunate because we are staying in Alison's cabin, which is a quaint little cottage on Suikerbossie farm and can accommodate 2 people, and this is going to be our home for this evening. What's really nice about this campsite is that everything's quite spread out along the riverbank. There are campsites above and below, so you can either be closer to the water or not so close to the water, and then the campsites themselves are actually split with lots of trees and vegetation, so you feel very secluded, even though you probably get 100 people here quite easily.
So this is Die Waterval campsite. It is an open plan Lapa style accommodation that has 6 double beds and can sleep 12 people. And just behind me over here there is an additional camping spot that can sleep up to 8 people, making this a 20 sleeper camping area, which is fantastic for families that are bigger. And the truly amazing thing about this specific campsite is that it has its own little waterfall. Come check it out with us. So from the beautiful blue waters of Suikerbossie, we're going to say goodbye. We'll see you guys at the next one.